Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join this sloka recitation, this 17th chapter, 4th sloka of Bhagavad Gita.
यजन्ते सात्विका देवान् यक्षरक्षांसि राजसाः प्रेतान् भूतगणांश्चान्ये यजन्ते तामसा जनाः.
Please join the categoric definition of Lord Krishna about the three modes of material nature. How it impels the people to take up different methods of worship. Men in the mode of goodness worship the Devatas. Those in the mode of passion worship the demons. And those people who are in the mode of ignorance worship ghosts and spirits. So these three categorizations clearly define the type of people. But there is an overriding rider that the man of goodness, born of mode of goodness, may behave like Rajasic and Tamasic sometimes, and the other two also similarly may have variations. It all depends again of, earlier we told, Krishna's in 14th chapter, 9th sloka. The three modes are in continuous competition with each other, pushing the other two. Each mode pushes the other two down and dominates for some time during the day, and it varies. So, a good man need not be good always. A Rajasic man need not be Rajasic always. A Tamoguna man need not be sluggish and not willing to work all the time. So this change. So what we are classifying is when in that mode, even a Tamasic man may sometimes plan to go to worship the God in the Krishna temple, for example. And those who are even Sattvic, they may not be willing to go to temple or willing to conduct any puja sometimes. That is, their mood changes. But we are talking about that specific mood when they worship Devatas, they are in good mode of goodness. Like that, we have to understand the whole thing. There is no fixed category of people. This man will do only worshipping of Devatas, this man will do only worshipping of spirits. No, it's not like that. At that particular mood, what he does decides whom he is worshipping. Now, when we are talking about ghosts, here there is a young Ramesh whose reputation is that he always is rejected by girls, he is not getting married at all. So he comes to a doctor and says, "Doctor, I am getting ghost dreams." Then the doctor says very coolly, "Okay, get married, it will be alright." Then Ramesh was surprised. Is it a solution? Getting married, it will solve my problem? Then he asked doctor, "Then I will not get such bad dreams, ghost dreams?" Doctor said, "No, you will have no sleep at all. Where is the question of dreams? How is that? Is it not an exaggeration of married life?" Hare Krishna.